Since they were invented over 2,000 years ago, prisons have been designed to be inescapable. The panopticon used locked cells combined with the fear of constant surveillance. Alcatraz used isolation and the sea. Maximum security prisons use high walls, barbed wire, and armed guards. And still, people continue to find ways to escape. How? And how can we prevent this from happening in the future? The answer is more complicated than you might think.
Prisons have three stated objectives, and that's punishment, security, and rehabilitation. And the balance between those things is the challenge of the design of a prison.
Prison designers take measures to prevent violent offenders from fleeing. But there's over 1,500 prisons in the United States, and even more local jails. The level of security depends on several factors, including the number of inmates and the types of offenses. There is very little data on how often people escape from custody. Experts consider escapes rare and unlikely to result in additional violent crimes. One 2016 study revealed that over 92% of prison escapees in 2009 were captured.
Escapes are most likely when people, for example, don't return from leave, so it tends to be from the lower security prisons.
Some criminologists suggest that we should consider alternative paths to improve security.
We tend to speak about dynamic security, for example, where we mean how good are relationships between the people working in prison and the people living in prison. Do staff know what's going on? Do they realize it when someone is maybe a bit agitated or anxious? And are they able to anticipate problems?
While high-wire escapes and their ensuing manhunts make headlines, the underlying issues of our criminal justice system are more complex.